If you're interested in getting your 4,000 watch hour organically in just few hours, just as you can see displayed on your screen right now, these are several images of watch hours gotten in just few hours, like less than 24 hours, guys. And guess what, guys? It is organic, because if you look at the traffic source, you will see that it is coming from YouTube recommendation. Like, this is no bot, because if it's bot, you know that definitely you will not see that YouTube recommendation there. If you're a YouTuber, you know. Yes, so it's coming from YouTube recommendation means it is YouTube themselves promoting this particular video on your behalf, and you'll be able to get your 4,000 watch hour in just few hours, guys. The screenshots are there, the proofs are there, and if you need more proofs, you can reach out to me. My email is going to be on the screen. Maybe you're like, I'm not satisfied with this one, I need more clarity. You know what, just reach out to me, guys. I am going to be, there to answer all your questions. Just check my email and reach out to me. And by the way, guys, this is where it becomes serious, because why? It's a paid service. Yes, I know you guys will be thinking that, I have to pay again. Yes, it's a paid service. And let me even say the price so that you will be aware. I don't want people coming to say, I don't know that is this expensive. So this way it would, reduce the kind of messages I get. I don't want people just storming my messages like 500 messages, and all of them are thinking, I thought it would be cheaper. Okay, let me just quickly go straight to the point. So it is $150 equivalent in Naira. Currently, I don't know, the rate might go up or higher, but as I'm making this video currently, it's about 216,000 Naira. Yeah, so so that is it. There you have it. So that's the price. So if you feel like this is something you want to do, like I said earlier, the traffic source is YouTube recommendation, YouTube recommending it themselves. So it is done organically. So if you're interested and you know that you are ready to pay, by the way, guys, there's no 70%. Initially, there was a 70%, 30% after. There's no 70%, 30% after, because there were some people that after it has been completed, like after the job has been done, to pay the remaining 30%, they start to say, give different excuses. So it's just better you receive the full 100%. Yeah, I know you guys will agree with me that it's better to receive the full 100%, just to avoid all these stories and, for people that usually pop up after the job has been completed. So if you're interested, check my email, check my, I don't want to put in my phone number because of, WhatsApp, but my email is right there. Just reach out to me and you'll be getting your 4,000 watch hour organically in just few hours. And yes, in my previous video, spoke about choosing 2 people to give 50,000 Naira. Yeah, so I'm going to be leaving them on the screen. So in case you find your channel or your comments, because I'll just take a screenshot and put it on the screen. In case you find your comment on the screen, please do to also reach out to me via this email and let me know that you are the person, so that I can actually fulfill my promise. And for the rest of you that actually spoke and said all of those things there, it's not like, I did not see or acknowledge you guys. I'm so sorry. Just that I cannot pick everybody. It's not possible to pick everybody, and it's not possible to satisfy everybody. I would have loved, honestly, if I have to be able to give everybody, like all of my fans, I would have gladly done that. But it's just that it's not possible. If I give one person, the other person will feel bad. If I give the other person will feel bad. You understand? So please just understand with me. I know that as we grow more, there'll be lots and lots of giveaways, as long as we stick together. Like, this is just our starting point, guys. We are just starting, guys. There'll be many more giveaways. And also, the major reason why I even said we should put it out there, because I might, just the same way I want to help, somebody might see your comment and be touched and be like, so I feel like helping this particular person. You understand what I mean? So I could just have said, okay, I'll just pick randomly, or don't state the reasons. The reason why I said state the reasons is because aside me, there are other, in this my channel, this my subscribers, we have some odoguzo. We have some big, rich, gallant people that are very okay. Somebody might see the comment and be touched and be like, let me help this person. You understand? So that way they may reach out to you, check out your channel, reach out to you. And so that's why I said, put it out there in the comment section, because you never can tell. I might not be the only one. I might not see you right now. In fact, you may put a message right now that I might not see it. Your helper might see it. Somebody else might see it. So just see it as an avenue for people to get to reach out to you. And for the 2 people, like I said, do want to reach out to me, please do want to hit on the subscribe button, do want to like, do want to share, and do want to comment. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.